Hello, and welcome to DevonWay's Tips and Tricks video series.
All right, we're to the calculated field portion of the demo. This one, I'm going to explain how to use the function rank. Basically what it does is it can be based off of any number field, and it allows you to determine the rank of all objects on your report using that number field. And the good thing is it spans any row or column grouping. So as you see here on this, the number of days open is the field that is being used. So the lowest value is 139, so that's number one. The next is 140, which is in a different grouping, but it's flagged as number two. So if you ever have any need for displaying any type of ranking across your report spanning groups, this is a great way to do it. So I'll switch back over and we'll demo that. So here's basically the report that it is. I was showing you, but we're going to create a new one from scratch as well. So we're going to query the condition reports module. In this test area, we don't have many objects. There's only 92, so I'm just going to leave all of those. We'll switch to report. And I believe what we were displaying is simply a title. We had severity, significance level. We'll group by that in a minute. And the number field that I used is days open. So while that will automatically be populated in a future release, it's not there yet. So I'm going to just create a calculated field that determines days open. So we've covered the use of this function in the past, so it's a little bit of a repeat. It's the elapsed days function. So it's just calculating the number of days between two date fields. Only one of the date fields we're actually going to use another function. We're going to use the today function. And we'll have 0 as the offset. For the second date field, we're going to use date created. So now we want to determine the elapsed days between today and the date that was created. We validated it, it's all great. And here we go. So here's our number field, days open. Of course, I can sort on this right now. So it's going to show here are all of these CRs with significance level sorted by the number of days open. But as soon as I group it by anything like significance level, now it's sorted within each one of those groups. Sorry, so there's no significance level on some of these. I forgot I wanted to have this only bring back values where there is a significance level. So I'll add a filter on that, and I'll say, show me everything that is not empty. So now we've only got the ones that have a value. So here we're sorting numerically within each of these, but I can't tell from the whole page which one is the best, for example. So that's where we're going to use the rank function. So we're going to create a new calculated measure. We're going to call it rank by days open. Scroll down to that function. It's quite simple. We just need to give it the number field that we want to use, and we're going to use the days open. Now, if we add that, we'll see that it displays as the one I'd already pre-built. So now we see this one is number 1 across the whole page, and somewhere there's a number 2. This one jumps up to 3 in this grouping. And you can add as many row or column groupings as needed. So if I throw in workflow task as well, and group by that, now you can see that it's maintained that ranking across the whole page regardless of the grouping order. So that's how you use rank Hopefully you can, if you have a need for something like that, you'll find that it suits your needs and allows you to create reports that you can help you in your job.
Thank you for taking time to watch this DevonWay tips and trick video. We hope that you have enjoyed it and that you'll be able to apply what you have learned to help you be more efficient in your job. And remember, you can view a categorized list of all DevonWay tips and tricks videos at docs.devonway.com at the link below. Thanks. Goodbye.